I co-authored a book with Mark Victor Hansen, Chicken Soup for the Soul series. They reached out to me and said, would I be interested in writing a chapter in the book? Boom. And of course, I felt like, oh, I would do that. I mean, it's just to write a chapter. I did not think very big about it. What I'm saying that is, then I was low. I felt down. But these are things, when you keep looking for opportunities, never turn anything down. Don't ever say you can do it. Even if it looks bigger than you, accept and then work on building yourself up. So when I was told to co-write, I said, well, okay, give me the guidelines. What are the things you need me to write about? So I wrote the book, and my name, some people call me Boom. The title of the book became Boom, and I made the front cover. And we're invited to Hollywood for the Bestsellers Award, the Academy of Best-Selling Authors. I went for that award because I was told I was nominated. I wasn't told I had won. So I was surprised at the dinner when my name was called. I mean, it was a turning point for me, because all of a sudden it showed that where I am was not where God was taking me. I had greater things ahead of me. And that singular situation where I won the award at the Academy of Best-Selling Authors in Hollywood opened doors for me. And all of a sudden, people are now interviewing me, asking about what I was doing, what I was on, why did I think I had a message, a voice, why I think I needed a platform, So that was just that, it was a big turning point, because then all of a sudden, it was as if the world then opened up to me. And I was now getting a lot of speaking engagements, talking about my road, how I came in from being very down, and how I was now able to build another business and build things up.